Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you the Donner Special I DI box that I received. It says right on the box, designed by Tennessee. I'm assuming that here in the United States, somebody designed the direct box and then Donner goes ahead and makes it in Asia. But when you open it up, I was really surprised at the compact size of the direct box. In comparison to a Boss tuner, you can see that it's a little bit shorter, and then it's about the same height as a Boss pedal. It has two parallel inputs. It's an in and an out, so you can plug your acoustic guitar, your bass, keyboard, whatever, into one end. The other end can go out to an amplifier or something like that. On the other side, you have your XLR or mic cable out that you would send to the soundboard or wherever. And then it also includes this switch, which is a ground lift. So if you get any buzz or hum, you're able to hit this button and it'll lift the ground and it should get rid of the buzz or the hum. Overall, every Donner product that I've used, it's never gone out on me. And so I look forward to using this and maybe even beating it up a little because I know it can handle the abuse. So for what I paid for this direct box, I'm really happy, and I think you guys will be too. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful.
So I have a Fender Mustang GT40, the Donner Special I DI box, and I have a PRS CE24 plugged into that. Both of those are on. The DI is going into a Focusrite into my little MacBook Air here into GarageBand.
Then we sat scared in a bomb shelter with no electricity, no water, no air. Our communication was completely cut off. I looked at my family while this thought was in my mind. What if this is the last time we will see each other? What if all of my family dies? After 4 hours, we ran out of air in the small shelter and we couldn't breathe. I decided to leave the shelter and ask my son-in-law
We have this DI box, Special I DI box. This thing's really heavy. I like it, feels quality built. So it's labeled parallel in and out for your in and outs. There's your XLR and your ground lift. This is a really cool little device, especially with passive. There's no input to introduce noise and hum into your output. I really like this thing.